dah pulang. Tengok manja juga. Tengok manja.
Kita nak sama tu.
Ay, ada manja juga. Ada na bisa
Mana apa? Itu.
Hey, pulang. Pulang. Tunggu macam apa? Udah nunggu balik. Até para tipo, para tipo dar uma. Olha, que não estou para levar lá na sala. Sabe? Ah?
Blok record nang
Oh, correct. Buka. Kamu sama somebody gets it down, eh?
Yes.
So that we can get some appropriate assistance.
The very next day, the report brief was submitted.
Pucha pretendo lo igual. Yo estaba haciendo.
You can carry this to your home or not?
One, two, three.
मैं संता प्रसाद हूँ। मैं इस एरिया के रहने वाला हूँ, नंदोंगो एरिया के, और मैं जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं उनको धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ जो राशन लेकर आए हैं, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ उनके देने के लिए, जैसे जनेन है इनका बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone. We're the form 6. Form 6? Oh, all from 6? Not from 7? You get this afternoon, some of you? Well, I wish you all the best.
Tuma. We give them.
But the presence of the Honorable Prime Minister here, it speaks that the Prime Minister values each and every effort towards the development of our country. And on behalf of my team, I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his time, for his busy schedule. Since morning, we are hearing that he is in that village, he is there looking after the evacuation centers, he is speaking to the people, and now he is here. I would like to thank him.
Okay? Okay. Water is coming slowly, eh? Water is coming slowly, and also electricity. A lot of poles are down. Water is being piped in. Don't worry. We'll drop it there. Too heavy for you. Somebody will leave this room.
My name is Shailesh Kumar. I was living in Mandevu. On behalf of the community of Mandevu, Malwai, Nadula, Nembulu, I want to thanks to the Prime Minister. On this very critical time, Minister was visit us and distribute the food ration, clear all the road as fast as it should be, and from our community, I was very humble thanks to the Prime Minister and the government of Fiji to support us this very bad time. Thank you, sir.
That one.